What's up everyone, Willy Apple here, and today Apple has released iOS 16 to developers. And in this video, I'll be showing you what has changed in iOS 16. So I'm just gonna download this real fast, and we will wait for the update to happen. Alright, iOS 16 is now downloaded, and when I press install, it will start installing. iOS 16, right off the bat, we see the new redesigned lock screen, and we can see notifications are down here. That's intentional, not a bug. Now the first thing I did was try to look for a new wallpaper to see if there are any new ones in iOS 16, since we only got one new wallpaper in iOS 15, and we have a new wallpaper manager. It looks really nice. I really like it. So this is one of the first looks at the new lock screens that you can set with iOS 16. We have an Earth one, and we can also change it to the moon or even the solar system if we wanted to. This seems like it was ported directly from watchOS. My favorite one is probably the Earth, and it looks like we can also change our widgets here. I'm just gonna remove the default ones for now. I'm gonna add Apple Watch battery widget, and it doesn't seem like we can have our phone battery on here for some reason. And I'm also gonna add a light widget there, and a temperature widget just to see how everything is at first glance. And as you can see right here, it changes just like that. I just found out that you can haptic press on this and change just like that. Pretty nice that we have home screens and we can directly edit it just from haptic pressing. So if I wanted my old one, I can just do that, or I can even add a new one. The do not disturb has been put down here. However, it's not changeable for whatever reason. I hope you're able to change do not disturb directly from the lock screen. Do not like the convenience of needing to go down here and opening up Do Not Disturb just like that. The home screen looks the same, but the search button down here opens up Spotlight Search just like that, and if you scroll, you have the old behavior back, except it's not that great in my opinion. I kind of wish they have the old behavior back. Okay, so I have a habit of reading emails right away, and I scrolled up. You can see right here, there's a later button, and we can say that we read the email later on. That's a pretty nice feature that we have right there. Alright, so in accessibility, we have a new feature called Live Captions, which immediately turns all text in a phone call or a FaceTime call into closed captionings. And we can see down here, we can preview it and even customize it a little bit. If I wanted the text to be larger, I can just make it larger just like that. If I want to change the text color or the background color, I'm able to do that as well. However, I tried going out of the live captions, and it seems like it just stays there. I'm not sure if that's a bug or if it's intentional. I hope it is a bug. It also seems to be marked as a beta feature as of right now. Unfortunately, my Apple Watch is too old for this feature, but we are able to control our Apple Watch with our iPhone, as long as using two controllers with an iPhone, and you can play single-player games with two controllers. We also have the new door detection feature in iOS 16 as well. It uses your iPhone camera and LiDAR sensor to determine how far away a door is. Unfortunately, my phone does not support it. Reminders got a pretty huge update as well. So just like with iMessages, we are now able to pin things. For example, I can pin my planner and pin it just like that. And we can also hide these as you saw. In messages, we could see that the voice icon where we were able to send voice messages is now not annoying. It used to be right here. In messages, we are also able to edit messages just like that. And when I'm done editing, I can just do that. I'm not sure what my friend will see on this side. I will ask him. I have the ability to delete messages. We also have the ability to use SharePlay with messages now. Lastly, in iOS 15, we have a new feature called Quick Look. We're able to find out what dog it is. What if I wanted this image of this dog with no background? Well, I have that now, and I'm able to put it in any app I wish to. And as you can see, there's that golden retriever I found on the internet. Paste it onto a notes doc. In Translate, we have a new button called Camera down here. And if we were to configure the language, we could take a picture. And if we tap the text just like that, it covers up the text and says what it says. Apple's iWork suite is now a lot better than Google Drive. It's like I never want to use Google Drive after Apple has recently announced richer collaboration with Apple's iWork suite. That means that Chromebook users and Windows users are now able to use Apple's iWork suite just by sending them a link, which makes my life a lot easier at school. Apple is continuing to try to replace passwords. They have introduced something called Passkey. Hey, Willy Apple here, and this is a new place that I've been to. Live text is now in videos and not just photos. Now, real fast, I'm going to run a Geekbench test to see how fast iOS 16 really is compared to iOS 15.5. iOS 16, and we can see that there's a big performance dip from iOS 15.5 and even iOS 15.4.1. So do not install on your main device, even though I am doing it myself. I found a bug. The Game Center widget looks to be redesigned a little bit, and there's like these blue bars right here. And yeah, you saw it right there, it's just like black and it was fading. I am not sure about that. I hope it is a bug. We are gonna try to play a game to see how well the experience is running on iOS 16. So my game of choice will be Mario Kart. Alright, right off the bat, I'm noticing like a few animation stutters that were not there before. I'm noticing loading times are a lot longer as well, which is to be expected from a first beta. I'm gonna say gaming is a lot better than last year because I had major stuttering and never mind then. Because now there's nothing on the screen. As you can see, iOS 16 bugs just like that. That is not supposed to happen. So right off the bat, gaming is not that great on iOS 16 at the moment. Now if we take a look at battery, even I experienced this myself. This is iOS 15 right here. And take a look at iOS 16, I have not even used it. And look at how much it's been dipping. So battery life is not good currently on iOS 16. I've also been feeling that my phone has been getting a little bit hot lately as well. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share this with your friends and comment down below what your favorite iOS 16 feature is. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!